Okay, so let's just go through some quick navigation tips so you guys can understand how to use IPX. So when you click on IPX, of course, I've already showed you this little menu here, but more importantly, there is a gear icon top right. So if I select that, that is the settings, okay? This is where you're gonna be able to make adjustments. You can turn features on and off because every feature that is enabled will slow your browser down. So some features you may not want on, you can turn them on and off at your choice. So I did that just to speed up the browser. It's just something that I prefer. And you can see here, each one is pretty self-explanatory. And as we go through and I show you the different features, you can decide which ones you want to turn on and off. But I just wanted to show you that that is in the settings page. There is an advanced tab at the top. Now that's for the pro users. Now these are people who pay a monthly fee or have paid for the lifetime updates. And we use that money to build this extension. So these are the people who support us, and we're very thankful for that. So that these features will be enabled once you become a pro user. But for now, let's look at general. Now your storefront ID, it should auto detect that. If this is blank, your extension won't work. So keep that in mind. And I'll show you how to fix that. You can actually try clicking that refresh button on the right-hand side, and that'll try to auto detect it. If this is blank, you're going to have a problem and the extension won't work very well. So keep that in mind. Now on the top, you do have these navigation buttons. The first one is going to bring you back to your navigation. You have training. So if I click the training, that's actually going to bring us to a Linktree page where you can learn more about courses and free and paid training possibilities. And then if we click the actual camera icon, that's for pro users. So that's going to be how you can upgrade to pro. If you had the pro account, you'd be able to, it actually give you pro features right there. Now, the next thing is, this is called a plugins page. We're currently working on that. This page is going to update. You're going to be able to add ChatGPT here. You're going to be able to add deep linking, and a bunch of different plugins and APIs that we're going to be adding to this page. So that'll be in a future version. And then last but not least, if you want to know what version of IPX you're running, it's going to be always in the bottom. See here, it says this is version 5.3.7. So it doesn't matter what page you're on, it's going to show you the version. So anytime you need trouble, you need support and you need to troubleshoot something, the version number is going to be very important because then we're going to know what the problem is based on the version. So that's just a brief overview of the navigation when you open up IPX. So that's pretty important. And then let's get into the exact, let's deep dive into some features, and I'll show you how to use Creator Hub next.